Globe Alliums or Allium giganteum, or other ones like Globe Master. They're striking ornamental onions prized for their large spherical flower heads. Globe Alliums are relatively easy to grow. And they grow from a bulb, including the popular Globe Master. They're hardy in zones 4 through 9. And in general, they're perennial plants. The bulb is an underground storage area that allows for plants to survive in dormant periods and provide energy for new growing and flowering. And you should plant alliums in the fall before the ground freezes. In most of the U.S., September and October is ideal. And this allows the bulbs to establish roots before winter. Globe alliums like full sun, at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sun a day, while some varieties might tolerate partial shade. They do best in full sun. Alliums love or need well-drained soil. Most bulbs all like well-drained soil to keep them from rotting. They are tolerant of soil types such as sandy and loamy, but avoid areas that stay consistently wet, especially during their dormant period, to keep the bulb from rotting. Plant alliums about 2 to 3 times the height of the bulb, or 4 to 8 inches deep. And put the pointed end up just like tulips or anything, and just then cover it with soil and firm around it, and then water after planting to help settle the soil around the bulb. And mulching the planting can help insulate the bulb during winter and retain moisture in the spring. I like to keep quite a bit of organic material in my garden to preserve moisture for dry periods. With bulbs, you want to avoid soggy conditions, though. If there's a lot of organic material in the soil, they won't require heavily fertilization, although a lot of times I fertilize every time I water with diluted fertilizer. I don't always bother with deadheading my plants. And with allium, you can deadhead them after they're done blooming if you want. It usually makes more energy go into the bulb when you do this, which causes them to multiply better, multiply bulbs better that way. Every few years, if they multiply, you can divide them. The clumps get overcrowded. That's everything that I know about Globe Allium, and if that helps you at all, please consider subscribing to my channel. I would really appreciate it. And thanks a lot, and goodbye.